Yes, family, see it. Love my chicken them. Love them fruits and veggies, you know. See that? Watermelon. Yeah, man. So them produce so much egg, you know. Yeah, man. See that? Fresh watermelon. Yeah, man. Who did know say chicken love them fruits and veggies? Yeah, man. So we give them all them greens and thing, you know. Yes, man. Have to keep them healthy, you know. Yeah, man. And just like we, you know. Yeah, man. Them need them fruits and veggies to stay healthy and strong. You see, this what they look. This how she pretty. That's there. This how she pretty. You see the coat? Yeah, man. That is it. Yeah. Whole heap of fruits and veggies. Yeah, man.